We ready? Okay, rolling sound. Okay. Television and film terminology you need to know, starring the sound department, David Duchovny, and actress Marissa Centrella. The first term that we're going to be using today is when they talk about how the sound is rolling, which means the microphone is on and they're going to give sound to the film or the television program that you're filming, and you will hear this.
Sound speeding, speed. Sound speeding, speed, speeding. Sound speed.
Okay, so it's either sound speeding, speed, or speeding. Those are the three things that you're going to hear, and it's usually yelled out by the boom operator, the sound person who's holding the boom pole, which holds the microphone. And the sound speeding just means that the sound is on, it's recording, and so when the camera is rolling, the sound is recording as well, so that they can sync the video, the picture, and the sound together. Now, sometimes there's exterior sounds going on. You'll hear a siren, you'll hear a helicopter, and so the sound department is in charge of making sure that there's no exterior sounds, especially if you're shooting outside, so you will hear this.
Hold for siren. Hold for helicopter.
And I will tell you that the sound department is usually very professional.
Sound department.
Yeah. All right.
And if you're lucky, your sound person will look like this. Although they never really do. But if you're not so lucky, your sound person will look like this.
Speeding.
That's closer to what they look like, except no crop top. Now we're going to be talking about cheating, and not in the way you think. Cheating just means moving a certain direction, one way or the other, or turning a certain way. So the director will say, cheat to your left, cheat to your right, which means you're just going to be moving a little bit to your left or a little bit to your right. Sometimes they will have you cheat to the light, wherever the light is. It looks something like this.
Cheat to your right. Cheat to your right. Good.
So that's cheating to the left, cheating to the right. It's the same. You just move a little bit, and you only want to move maybe, you only want to move really about 2 inches or less. You just want to move incrementally a little bit. Here's what happens when you move too much, because a lot of times they're real tight on you, and you only need to move just a little bit to stay in frame, but to be right where they need you to be. So sometimes if you move too far, this will happen.
Okay, great. Cheat to your left. Oh, too far. Go back. Nope, split the difference. Good.
Okay, so now you saw she moved too far. They said split the difference. That's another term I'm throwing in for free. Oh wait, you're not paying for this anyway. Okay, so it's split the difference, which just means if you moved to here, then split the difference means just go halfway. It's fairly common sense, but a lot of people don't know what that means. So it's cheat to your left, cheat to your right, split the difference. And then this is cheating to your light, so you can see the light.
Okay, cheat to the light. A little more. And cheat your face to the light. Good. Thank you.
Now the last term we're going to be talking about today is a walk and talk, and that is simply when two actors are walking, the camera is moving with them, and they're doing their dialogue as they're walking. So they're walking and they're talking, hence the walk and talk. Here's what it looks like.
He is a guy, we just gotta prove it.
I don't know. Witnesses saw the end of the fight. They back up what he's saying. He pushed the guy hit his head on the way down. Could be self-defense. Anyway, thanks. I'll take it from here.
So there you go. That's the walk and talk, and what it usually does is it just moves the actors from point A to point B. It really helps the story move along, gives you a little bit more sense of the environment, and walk and talks are not always easy to do. So it would behoove you to practice a walk and talk. If you just have a regular audition, It would be really great to walk while you're doing your dialogue, while you're trying to memorize your dialogue. Walk while you're doing it, and that way, when you get to the set, if they say, hey, we're going to make this a walk and talk, you're ready. You've already prepared for it. Or if you have to stand still, then you're really ready. Okay, so there is your episode of Set Savvy, the terminology for films and television that you need to know. If this was helpful in any way, hit the subscribe button down there. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, leave a question, tell your friends, share with everyone. And yeah, we're going to be doing every week or every other week, we're going to be doing another episode of what I like to call Set Savvy, which is just terminology on film and television sets that you need to know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Cut! Cut! That's a wrap. Let's go get drunk.